Hello guys, welcome to VJ Techno in Microsoft Power BI. Today we are going to learn about bar charts. Bar chart have three types in Power BI. Stacked bar chart, 100% stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. Okay, bar chart are horizontal and it's better than that column chart when you have multiple data labels in a single column. Multiple data labels means for example countries or cities. In a single column we have multiple countries and multiple cities, right? So in that case we can use bar chart, and you have time series and you need to show the trend over the time, then you can choose column chart. Okay, and the major difference between the bar chart and column chart is in bar chart that values on x-axis like revenue and categories comes on that y-axis like city names, country names. Okay, and in column chart values on y-axis same as revenue and categories like times or date, month, year, whatever the time series or time period comes on that x-axis. This is the major difference, and in bar chart it's representing horizontal format and in column chart it's representing vertical format. Okay, when it comes to stacked bar chart, data series are stacked side by side and it shows how each category contribute to the total value. And 100% stacked bar chart are similar to the stacked bar chart, but here it shows how the percentage of each category contribute to the total value. In stacked bar chart it shows that each category contribute to the total value, how much each category contribute to the total value. Here it shows a percentage, that's it, that's the difference. When it comes to clustered bar chart, it shows comparison. We can easily compare two categories like how much revenue generated and how much profit we get. Like that we can compare the two categories in a single chart. But if you have more than 3 or 4 or 5 categories, then you can choose stacked bar chart. And this is a sample of bar charts. First one is stacked bar chart and second one is 100% stacked bar chart and final one is clustered bar chart. Okay guys, let me do it practically in Microsoft Power BI. Okay, here I already created 3 pages for 3 charts. Okay, and in dataset I added additionally as a new column as city. Okay, let me choose stacked bar chart first, and here I'm going to plot details. In axis I plot city. Okay, and it comes in y-axis. In bar chart, whenever the value we plotted in axis, it will comes in y-axis, but in column chart it will appear in x-axis. Okay, that's the difference between the two chart. Okay, and in values I plot revenue. It shows how much revenue generated by each city. Okay, and it shows in descending order. So Kolkata generated highest revenue when compared to other cities, and Coimbatore generate lowest revenue when compared to other cities. So we can easily compare which city have more revenue and which city generated less revenue and average revenue by using this bar chart. Okay, and now I am going to plot product category in legend part, and now I enable the data label. See, we have another option as total label. So I'll change the display unit as 1000. Okay, now it shows 3477k revenue generated by Kolkata, and how each category contribute to the total value, it will appear in that legend part. For example, electronics category generated 1.28 million and 0.64 million revenue generated by the sport category. Okay, and some categories are not sold in Kolkata, so it doesn't appear here. So from this point we can easily understand how each category contribute to the total value. Okay, and when it comes to 100% stacked bar chart, it's similar to that stacked bar chart, right? Instead of revenue, here it shows percentage. Okay, now I choose 100% stacked bar chart, and now it shows how much of percentage each category contribute to that total of 100 percentage. Okay, like electronics generate 36.67 percentage out of that 100 percentage in Kolkata city. Okay. Okay guys, let me validate that percentage is correct or not. So in Kolkata city, I'm going to take one category. Let me take sports category. Sports category generated 6,35,515. Okay, 6,35,515. And the total revenue generated by Kolkata city is 34,76,642. Let me validate it. 0.18. Okay, 200. Now it shows 18.27956 something. And when it comes to 100% stacked bar chart, it shows that same percentage. Okay, that's the difference between this stacked bar chart and 100% stacked bar chart. Okay guys, let me do clustered bar chart. Now I choose clustered bar chart. Here I'm going to plot city in x axis and revenue in values, and I will add one more category as profit in values. So basically we use clustered bar chart to compare two categories for the same city, I mean same category or same group. Okay, let me enable data label. See, now we can easily compare more than one categories for the same city. Okay, let's take Chennai. Chennai generated 2.75 million revenue and we got 2.10 million profit in the Chennai city. Okay, if you have more than three or four data labels, I mean three or more categories, then you can choose stacked bar chart. Because let's see, when I plot product category in legend, see it, each categories are collided and we can't able to see that, even it's not lookable, right? So if you have more than three or four or five categories in a single column, then you choose stacked bar chart. Okay, for that percentage you choose that 100% stacked bar chart. If you have less than three categories, then only you can choose clustered bar chart. Okay, that's all guys, that's all about all those three bar charts. I hope you can understand the difference also. In upcoming videos we will discuss about pie charts. Okay, so subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.